In this video, we will discuss definition list. What does it work for? Definition list is if you want to define any term and we write the term and it's with its description. So sometime we need it and we want to use it for our web pages. So let's see how does it work. So I want to create a new file with definition dash list.html. So just create a basic skeleton for that and rename the file with the definition list, and we can now create our definition list here. So what we need to do, we need to create definition DL with definition list, and we can create our definition term and we can write cricket, and I want to explain this term, so I want to write definition data. So definition data that cricket is very famous all around the world. So I can write another term with definition term and saucer, and I can also write its definition data. Saucer is a world's most famous game in the world. Okay, it's enough. So let's see how does it work. So we can copy and paste the link, and now you can see that this is the term, and we can describe the term over here, and this is the term we have explained the term over here. So this is how this code work, and we can explain the term and also its description, data description.